Okay, this is a simple block diagram of the data communication system. So suppose that the source and destination or the source and transmission are the component of the personal computer, and the user of this PC wants to send a message M to the another PC. So there is a message will be in the form of digital bits. So if consider the transmitting the data from one system to another system, the source system having the information, it is comes on the digital data or digital bit stream, which is called as a input data stream. So the sender PC is connected to the transmission media. So sender is connected with the transmission media, such as a local network or the telephone lines, but with the help of some input and output devices. For example, if we consider the transmit, it also has one input or output device through which is used for accessing and transmitting the contents. Okay, like a modem. So the input data is applied to the transmission as a sequence of the digital bits on the cable or the communication bus. So after that, the transmitter is connected directly to the media, which is converted to digital information in terms of we have to use analog information while we transmit. We cannot share the or we cannot transmit the digital content as it is. So we need a transmitter through which we have to convert the digital signal into the analog or digital information into the analog one, which is suitable for the transmission over the communication cable. So analog transmission signal travels on the transmission medium, and it is subjected to the number of parameters which is actually added before the reaches to the one. So with the help of repeater, we have to remove that noise, and we then after removing the noise, we have to transmit to the receiver. So due to this, the receiver received signal appear completely different from the transmission signal. So receiver tries to establish or estimate the original signal, which is based on the particular destroyed received signal. So which is use the acknowledge of the transmission medium. So the sequence of digital bit is produced at the output of the receiver. So after that, the analog signal is transmitted with the help of particular transmission system. So this analog signal is received with the help of some receiver, and receiver receive that analog signal and again converted back to the digital one and actually represented on the destination system or destination node, which is a output information, which is in the form of digital one. So sender is send the content which is in the form of digital. After that, the transmitter is transmit that content throughout the network, and the translator is translate the digital information into the analog one. And after analog information is transmitted with the help of some cables, and at the receiver side, receiver system accept the content which is in the form of analog, and after that he again transmit to the translate in terms of the digital and display on the screen. This is the basic concept of the data communication system through which we have to share the contents.